Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're doing this video on how to replace a battery. Now, this vehicle is a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta, but replacing a battery is pretty much the same in all vehicles, essentially. All right, your battery might be located in different areas. This one is under the hood. Most batteries are still under the hood. Some batteries are under the passenger seat. Others are behind in the trunk. Essentially, what you guys want to do is, obviously, if you guys aren't familiar with changing out the battery, you guys are probably scared of the battery itself because, you know, for whatever reason, you're thinking that it's a battery, probably high capacity, and if you do something wrong, it could have a spark or it could blow up on you and stuff like that. But don't worry about that, all right, because the terminals are far apart. There's a very, very, very rare chance that it'll explode on you, particularly if you're doing this outside instead of inside your garage or something like that. So it's a very simple process, okay? And it's a very simple process. Sometimes the batteries are held by some kind of bracket. In this case, it doesn't have a bracket. If you do have a bracket, you're probably going to have to take the bracket off. No, you're going to have to take the bracket off. Pretty sure you're going to have to take the bracket off. All right, take the bracket off. Once you have it off and the battery is free, and sometimes the bracket is obvious, it's on top, it goes around the battery. Other times, the bracket itself that's holding the battery on to place is actually at the bottom where it's hooking up to some kind of it's gonna have some kind of thing that hooks up to the battery at the bottom. You might have to unbolt it, take that off. As long as you can get the battery free, you can take it out, is what I'm saying. Okay, so outside of that, what you want to do is you want to take the positive and terminals off. Essentially, most of the time it's a 10mm bolt. Sometimes it's a little bit off. Sometimes it's not a 10mm bolt. A lot of times it's a 10mm bolt. What you want to do first is you probably want to take the negative cable off first. Take that negative cable off first, and then afterwards you take the positive cable off. All right, now you can tuck the negative cable somewhere so it frees it up from intrusion when you take the battery out. Not a problem. Once those two are unhooked, you're pretty much good. Take the battery out, and you want to obviously, if you're going to take that battery out, you're going to have a new battery to replace it with. And it's essentially just redoing what you did with reversing what you did with taking the battery out. So just reverse what you did, take the battery out, put the battery in. Simple as that. 1, 2, 3. Not very difficult, but I'm pretty sure if this is your first time doing it, it might be a little bit of a hassle. If you've done this before, why are you watching this? Let's be serious. If you've done this before, it shouldn't be that much of a hassle. But I'm glad you're watching this video, though. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. As always, appreciate your time, guys. Take care.